All right. Hillbilly Lock Sport. I'm the libertarian lock picker. Check this shit out. This is a video just, I don't know. I was just had to make it because I got very excited. I went to my dad's house. He was working, but their water heater was out. I do plumbing and remodeling, so I come to fix it. And I went down to just to look at an old water heater that was sitting out there in buildings my grandpa built. And I started looking around being nosy, noticing there's shit that's been up on those walls for I don't know how many years. So looking around, you know, a lot of us, once you start getting the locks, you start looking around everywhere for locks. Not locks to get, like I look at car doors, I look at storefronts, everything. In no way trying to get into them, I'm completely enamored and blown away with the locks. These right here are my grandfather's. It's this old shit that's rusty in this building. I want to try to get a good picture. And I want to restore these. Very interesting. There's an old Yale. I have no idea how old it is. There's an old, I think this one is the, this is a warded, you know, same as the new ones. Warded Master. This one I've not been able to read yet, but it's a pen and tumbler. I'm sucking them right now, and the only thing I had handy, and it's shit, it's not WD-40, it's not a penetrating oil, it's a lubricating oil. I think I got, I don't know, Slick 50 or Kentucky Jelly, I ain't sure. But what I think I'm sucking them in diesel fuel like you do a carburetor for a day, and taking some wire brushes and Dremel tool and like cleaning them up. I want to make all these. Here's the thing. I want to make all these really nice, fixed up, and when they work, I'm going to make keys. I don't have keys for any of them. The warded, I guess I'll make a skeleton key, but I want to pin out keys, and I want to give them to my sons. All three of them are into lock picking, lock sports, and 6, 11, and 9. And they love seeing new locks and new things to pick. I want to give them these that are about their grandfather. They never met him, but I want to always talk about him when they ask things about how I learned to do shit. He was a fucking really cool dude. And it's just, that's the reason I had to do this video, just not planning to. Because this is 3 old things I found in this building. I want to make these and give them to my boys. And I really want to make these old fuckers work again. Restore locks to their greatness. Greatness? Greatness. All right. Y'all be good. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.